Ants are social insects. They live in an organized community like humans. Ants occurs throughout the world but are particularly abundant in hot climates. Ants play a crucial role in ecosystem as scavengers, predators and seed dispersers. They communicate with each other through a combination of touch, sound and chemical signals called pheromones. There will be 4 types of ants in the community. They are worker ants, soldier ants, supervisor ants and queen ants. Worker ants' work is to give food to their family. Soldier ants protects the community. Queen ants lay eggs. Supervisor ants will not go out from their home. They protect queen ants for many days and gives food to queen ants and collects eggs to one place and gives food to eggs. Different ants make their nests by soil, sand, wood and leaves. When they create nest by soil, nest will be 5 to 6 feet depth with several tunnels where queen ant lays eggs. Depth of laying eggs depends on the temperature suitable for eggs. Here we can observe the weight of food is about 5 to 6 times more than the ant's weight. They are collecting lot of termites to feed their queen ant community. Ants also collect some sweet materials from leaves and bark of the trees. Here is the law of nature, that is struggle for existence. Here is the fight between ant and termite to survive. But finally ant succeeded to bring termite to its nest. But till termite is trying to hold the leaf as a support to escape from ant. Sometimes ants may fight to take over the nest and food source of other ants. This is for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.